So friend, Samsung's biggest flagship redesign in years is no longer a rumor. After months of leaks and speculative renders, the Galaxy S26 series design has been accidentally confirmed by Samsung itself. Crude yet official looking images of the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus and S26 Ultra were discovered inside a One UI 8.5 test firmware build, giving the first solid proof of the makeover plan for 2026 premium lineup, and the render spotted by Android Authority revealing that Samsung is abandoning its signature floating camera ring. All three models labeled internally as M1, which is S26, M2 which is S26 Plus and M3 that is S26 Ultra now features a prominent pill-shaped camera island. Each lens sits within circular cutout inside this island, mirroring the design Samsung has used for the Fold series since 2021. While the images are low-resolution placeholders rather than polished marketing visuals, these presence inside an official test firmware makes them the strongest confirmation yet. This means the floating camera look seen since the S22 era is officially being retired, and earlier reports hinted that Samsung Miracle Project, the internal codename for the S26 Trio, aimed to create deeper design consistency across its premium devices. These new renders align exactly with those leaks, and the S26 Ultra also appears to have slightly more rounded corners than the S25 Ultra, drifting away from the sharp, boxy note, the inspired shape and bringing it closer to the standard and plus models. The entire lineup, at least on the rear, now shares the same fold-style camera language. The firmware leak has also confirmed that the Galaxy S26 series will ship with One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. Existing Galaxy S25 users are expected to gain access to the One UI 8.5 beta in the second week of December, with Samsung itself unintentionally revealing the redesigned camera housing. The speculation stage is over. The Galaxy S26 series is set to deliver the biggest aesthetic shift the flagship line has seen in years. Whether users find the island cleaner or bulkier is up for debate, but one thing is clear: Samsung is aligning its flagship phones under a more cohesive design identity. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.